Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix kernel power 41 error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan option and click on open it. On left side select choose what the power button do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck this fast startup option guys. Make sure you uncheck it and select save changes to save it and then just close stuff here. And now go to search menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for these two commands. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Press Y in our keyboard and press enter to continue. And now copy the second command and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete guys. After getting this 100% complete, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. Don't skip this video guys. The important part is while restarting your PC, don't press any key to skip this disk checking guys. It will ask press any key to skip. Don't press any keys. And after finishing this, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.